Hello, CAT aspirants. I am Kushali Sandhya, Junior Executive Member of the Admissions Committee of IIM Raipur. I hope all of you are excited and geared up to face CAT 2021. Today, I will be sharing a few important tips that might actually help you during these last 2 days. Try to visit the test center beforehand to avoid any last minute hassle and confusion. While attempting the paper, do not panic at any point of time. Just keep calm, stick to your strategy you made during your preparation, and have confidence in yourself. Attempt each section of the paper in cycles. Answer all the questions you are sure of and are less time consuming initially, and avoid wasting time solving the question that you are unsure about. In the second iteration, attempt the questions that you are sure of but are a little more lengthy. If you still have time after this, attempt the questions that you think you can crack but you are not too sure of. Select answers only if you are entirely sure. You can use the flag and review later option for convenience. Don't get nervous while reading these questions. Work out a solution in your mind or on paper as per your convenience and then solve the question. Please concentrate at all times. This will make sure that you don't make any errors. Guesswork will potentially deteriorate all your effort. Simply skip the questions that you don't know the answer to and move ahead. The number of questions attempted is less important, accuracy is the key. Don't fear the timer and this because this might create panic within you. Just keep an eye on the time and pace yourself accordingly. Last but not the least, stay hydrated and eat safe and healthy food for the next couple of days. All your effort is going to materialize very soon, so stay focused and keep going. Feel free to reach out to any of us with all your queries in the comment section. Thank you and all the very best.